Hi, it's Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and I'm here today with Lou, who is our head designer at Birds, and we're going to discuss paint colours.
I'll go Lexicon Quarter, you do that one. The sample pots are fab at the moment because you can get with Dulux these tiny little ones which are perfect for that, but then if you want to have a slightly bigger space, you've got the bigger ones as well, which is awesome. But for externally here, this size is really good. Don't go any smaller. It's important to see a chunk of it, and also it's really, really important to let it dry and do that second coat, because that will truly show you the colour.
It feels like these are all like a cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to stand back, it's too close.
It is good to see it, you know, it's in the shade at the moment, see it in full sunlight as well.
Done.
I know what one you're going to pick, smack bang right in the middle.
Lexicon half?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're here at our finished project, and we've painted the house in Lexicon Half by Dulux, and for me it really came to life once we started styling, because Lexicon generally is a cooler white, which it's not so cool though that it doesn't go beautifully with the creams, and you can see here now that the tiling has that tone of cream, but it works beautifully with all the greens of the bush and the plants and the palms. So for us here at this house, Lexicon Half was just the perfect choice. If you're looking for the perfect exterior colour scheme, head on over to the Dulux website.